Well, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing?
Pretty hot here.
And welcome to the channel. We're going to do the install, or Christa's going to do the install today on these side steps, or running boards, really, for the Jeep. So we're going to let her explain real quick what she's going to do, and then we're going to get to it. So let me turn it over to you. What are we going to do here?
Well, in layman's terms, we're going to put these side steps and line them up with these two holes. And we're going to take these nuts and screw them in behind. So it'll be behind here.
Yeah.
Like so.
That's nice, yeah.
And just not tighten them, just loosely screw them in because there is wiggle room in here. So there's potential that we'll need to adjust. And once we've got those in, we're going to grab one of these doohickeys. And
Doohickeys.
We're going to, through this hole, it comes up like so, and screws in up there.
That's right. That's exactly right. So, let's begin. Do you have your tool?
I have many tools, but I have my tool to start with.
That would be your nut.
No.
That's your tool down there.
I know. Am I using this right now?
Yeah. Well, as soon as I lift it up there for you, you'll be tightening with hand. And then you'll use that, which is called a
Wrench.
ratchet, to tighten everything down. So before we do that, let me
But do we need to remove the box of rags over here?
wipe the sweat off myself. It shouldn't need rags, but you need to wipe yourself or what?
Well, both of us.
It's hot.
It's really, really hot. Really, really humid.
By the way,
and the sun is shining in our garage, so you know.
Yeah, having this lift is awesome because we're standing instead of laying on the ground, crawling around trying to do this. So.
And I have a bad back, so this lift is going to enable me to do stuff that I've never done before.
That's right. You could get underneath there. You could change the whole suspension.
I could.
All by yourself.
I'm going to install a new exhaust.
Ooh, you could do that. All right, I'm going to lift it up.
He's the muscle.
Yeah, I'm the muscle. Oop, you got to line that up. All right. I've got a hold of it, so you don't have to worry about holding anything. Just get your screws on there. It's going to be a pretty easy install for me. I just, kind of stand here and watch Christa, do the install. Just hang out, hold stuff.
Yeah, it's good.
I like it. I'll help you on the next one. We'll let you do this first one on your own, and then I'll help going on the next one.
What do you mean?
Well, I'll help you put the screws in. There's no reason for me to stand here once you've mastered the art of screwing or bolting on.
This one's not going in right.
Uh-oh, rogue bolt.
I can't get it off.
Just got to turn
there we
it.
go.
Start over. Switch bolts if you need to.
Yeah.
Or nuts, rather. Christa's having trouble with her nuts, so we got to...
You all know what he's talking about, right?
We're going to try a different one. See if that helps her out. If not, we'll put a little muscle on it when we get to it. You got to use both hands when you're wrenching. This is called wrenching, by the way. Did you know that? We're wrenching.
You're wrenching?
You're wrenching. I'm holding. Using my head.
All right, so they're both in loose-ish.
As tight as you can get them by hand?
Well, probably. I mean, I didn't tighten them as far as I could go.
All right, now you got your bolts you got to put in, your top pieces.
Where do those go again?
In the middle of that bracket. You should feel a hole there. You should be able to feel it. No real need to hold it anymore, so I'll just sit here and relax a minute. All right, now you've got everything in, so now we need to look and see how the adjustment is. So
Not in.
it does move slightly. I would just push both up against like so. They don't move side to side, and they barely move out. That one does anyway. And this one doesn't move out at all. So they're going to be tightened up against the Jeep anyway, so obviously you're not going to pull them out. You're just going to be pulled in anyway. So that adjustment we don't care about. It's really side to side at this point, and they really don't move side to side, so I would just tighten it on the way you've got it and go from there. Arms a little tired, are they?
Wow, this is embarrassing.
Huh. Workout for Christa today.
Okay, that's pretty snug, so I'm going to go back over here because I didn't get it nice snug.
No, that's good. Now just go up here and tighten these bolts down. It's going pretty easy so far for me.
Wow.
My arm's getting a little tired from leaning on this here lip, but other than that, I'm doing pretty good. I'm doing pretty good here.
Weren't we going to use Loctite?
Yeah, we were going to do that, but now we're not because we're already here, so let's just continue on. It'll be okay. If they loosen up, we'll put Loctite on. I will go grab that from the other side. Actually,
It just occurred to me now.
yeah, I kind of forgot about that myself.
Yeah. Because you never know. These should be okay.
Yeah.
But you never know, when you're bumping down the road and things are vibrating and moving, and it's not out of the realm of possibility that one of these screws could come loose.
That was a good point. You should really use Loctite on all these since we kind of forgot on this side. We're not. We'll have to go back and check these anyway. So down the road, if they feel like they're really loosening up or something, we'll put some Loctite on. And we will put Loctite on the driver's side. Check the top ones and we'll be done.
Did I pass, Professor?
Well, see me after class. We'll talk about it.
I see.
Good thing I was never a teacher. A college teacher. Let's get that straight right now. I like it. We're done.
Yay!
We're gonna lower this puppy
And then we're gonna jump straight and pull it.
and take it for a quick ride just to see if anything's rattly or anything, and we'll be finished. All right, we've got the install done. We're going to take it for a quick inaugural ride just to see if we hear any rattles or anything. I don't expect to hear anything, but let's take a quick look around. You guys can see. There's the steps on the passenger side. Looking pretty sharp. I think Christa did a fantastic job over there, so not too bad. Let's take a look at the driver's side. There you go. There's Christa sitting inside in the air conditioning. There's the driver's side.
How's she looking?
Looks pretty sharp.
Nice.
Let's take it for a ride and see how it feels with this new high power mod.
It's gonna add 50 horsepower.
Well, that's going to conclude our Christa's Jeep Sidestep mod. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Pretty simple to do.
Yep.
As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Click that subscribe button if you haven't before. And let us know if you want to see Christa do any more mods. We'll see you next time.
On the web.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.